Welcome back to another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. In this video, we'll take a look at the control panel on this Whirlpool electric dryer. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To remove the console, gain access to the two Phillips screws on the rear and remove them. Next, pull the console up and forward to release it from the tabs. Remove the molex connector for the display board by depressing the tab and pulling out. And set the console aside. To install the console, set it in position and connect the display board molex by aligning the wires with the cutout on the port and pressing in. Next, roll the console back into place and lock the two tabs on each side. Finally, reinstall the two Phillips screws on the rear. And this will complete your repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.